Hi everybody, thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I decided to film an unboxing. It's going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Deluxe Mystery Box. So here we go. Okay, so the box cost me, I think it was $70 for the deluxe box. So I'm really excited to see what's in here. First of all, I have the velour lip scrub in Peach Popsicle. I'm gonna open it up from the bottom, that way I don't have to take off the sticker here. Oh, cool. It smells just like peach. It's pretty good. It is a little, let's see, it's a little hard on top, but once you get through the first layer, it feels just like how a lip scrub should. Delicious. See, next item is the Supreme Frost Highlighting Powder in Hypothermia. I really like these. They're super pigmented, really pretty. This is the packaging. Delicious. Really beautiful here. Like that, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I like that you can see through it. The other ones are bigger, but you can't see the pan, so this is actually really nice. Blinding. There's a little bit of a pink tinge here, pink lilac-y, really pretty depending on where it's facing. There we go. Okay. Let me grab a makeup wipe. Except we don't use makeup wipes. We actually use baby wipes. Easiest for me. I have it on hand because Beanie still needs them. Sure. Use that here. Okay. Awesome. I have a Jeffree Star Pop Socket. Cute. It's orange. Here. Next one. There are 3 liquid lips. One is Diva. I do not have that one yet. Mannequin is from the original collection. I have not gotten one of these yet either, so I'm excited to see that. There is an androgyny lip liner here, so that'll be good. And then this is the mystery one. Here. Let's see. There's Mannequin. It's hot here right now in Minnesota, so this is a little, it's really warm actually. So that's Mannequin. Diva is hot. It's hot pink. And it looks like there's a little bit of shimmer. So that's Diva and Mannequin. Not something I would normally pick for myself because it's so hot and I don't normally wear pink like that, but I'm gonna use that this summer. And then this is the mystery one. Ooh, that's a really pretty blush. Baby pink. Wow, that's beautiful. Almost like Your Lip but better. Reminds me of like a rose madder. That's so pretty. I gotta go on. Can you imagine? Yeah, it's like Your Lip but better. I love it. Super cute color. Got a straw, which is funny because I actually just ordered the black straws too, so I'm gonna be strawed up. That's gonna be real cute. Oh, there's another lippy. This is poinsettia. Yeah. Ooh. This one also looks like it has a little bit of a shimmer in it, which I'm not mad at. It'll probably be easier to apply. Let me shake it one time because it is hot here. The package does say to shake well before use. So I'm gonna shake it. It's kind of like, it's coming off like a ketchup bottle when you first open it from the fridge and you haven't shaken it yet. There's a little bit of that liquid coming out. Yeah, that's what it looks like. There we go. There's a little bit of shimmer in here. It feels like a thinner formula than the normal liquid lips. Maybe it's because of the heat from traveling. That's pretty. So that was before shaking. This is after shaking. So pretty color. It's like a nice cranberry. Okay. How's that? Move this over here. And a t-shirt. I got a large. I like to wear my stuff in L. You know what I'm saying? If Jake is wearing it, it's an XL. Okay, so it's a black tee with the summer lime green here. And on the back, it says, hi, how are you? So cute, really cute. It's soft too. Dope, I'm excited. So that is it for the mystery box. I did also get the black set of straws. So as a little bonus, I'm gonna show that. I like to take a scissors and cut off the packaging tape that they got here. Pop it open. Boom. Also wrapped up. Pop it over here. And this is what they look like. So this is nice. It comes with a brush, a straight straw, and then 3 more bent straws. Really cute. So that was 20 bucks if I remember right. So let me go and grab the iPad so I can look at prices. Okay, so the deluxe mystery box came with 10 items. Let me just count that here. 4 lippies, 1 lip liner, lip scrub, that makes 6, straw 7, highlighter 8, pop socket 9, and the t-shirt makes 10. So I'm super happy with it. Let's see. Can you guys hear me and Jake? So the box retails for $70 and its value is $175. So I'm actually super happy with it. I think all of the lip colors are really pretty. I'm excited to try them out this summer. I do like the highlight as well. I'm a big fan of purple, so I love anything purple. I think the lip scrubs are okay. I don't use them too frequently because I keep my lips nice and juicy. I wear a lip mask at night, so that helps out. Pop socket is cool. I can always use this. My phone actually needs one, and Jake's phone actually needs one, so that'll be great. And of course, the t-shirt is going to be my sleeping shirt. So, and I do love the straws. I'm really excited. Probably gonna keep one at the studio so that I can drink my Red Bull through the straw. And then, yeah. And the, what is it? The lip liners, they're not bad. I don't prefer them. I'd rather use like, let's see, currently I'm using NYX liquid liner. I'm not too picky when it comes to liquid liner, so they're not bad, but I would rather buy a liquid lip instead. Okay, and that is my sign that I gotta go. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I love Jeffree Star products. I think so far everything that he's put out has been great. First time getting a mystery box, so I'm really hyped for the next one. I'm very happy with all the products that I got, especially the mystery lip color. It's so pretty. It just doesn't even have a name. Just a question mark. That's cool. Anyways, thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. If you haven't, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. I've been on a little few month hiatus, but I'm slowly working my way back into it. I've been going through some things personally here, so thank you guys again for coming back to watch, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.